So what did you think of that experience there, Eli?
Oh, it was pretty good. I think I'm one of the best drivers out here, by far.
By far.
Yeah.
Ty, what do you got to say about that?
Yeah, only one to get stuck. Right?
Only one to get stuck, right?
Who got stuck?
Only one to really use their throttle, you know?
Oh, on the four-wheeler you got stuck.
Oh, no, I'm talking about the snowmobiles. He doesn't even know how to use the throttle, you know?
You got stuck on the snowmobile?
I fell.
I passed you at least 69 times.
I heard the little baby whine out.
Come on, get in the camera together. Quit walking away.
No, I passed him at least 69 times there.
I seen him pass you at least 6 to 9 times,
69
too.
times?
At least 6 to 9.
I think you got the laps mixed up, because it is two, one inner circle and one outer circle. So maybe caught the inner circle, not the outer.
Usually what counts is when you see that other sled go by you, that's a pass.
Nah, it was for safety reasons, check him out.
It was for safety
He was going
reasons.
too slow. He wouldn't go, so I had to let him go in front of me. He was going too slow. So I'm like,
Switch to
going
two legs. Turn quicker.
I don't know.
On one side, lead.
The Yamaha does still corner faster than the other sleds because things on the ground. But how many times did you roll over?
Only 3 times.
I saw it 3 times personally myself. Yes, I did 2 in 1 lap.
I don't know about that.
One on that corner, one on that far corner, and then I just saw you do it right over here on camera.
It's the turns coming off 60 miles an hour into a turn, trying not to fall, and then the other side kicks up because you turn, you can try to rock it this way, and then this side flips up. Hey, I'm just glad I did that.
You learn to adjust and throttle out.
Yeah, you just gotta adjust and throw it out, you know, the easiest way.
Yeah, you did pretty good for first time riding snowmobile for not wanting to get on it.
Yeah, things are pretty fast. Yeah, once I got the speed and I could hit 60 miles an hour on the straightaway, and then the turns was 30 miles an hour. I was good.
Yep. All right, that was a fun day. You guys have a great day.
What? So just be safe, be smart. Better hang on tighter than that. See how tippy they are?
Yep.
With you on the back, I can wheelie. Free the pilots know from taking off. That's fun. You see how you want to be careful. Every time you hit one of these bumps, it's going to kick you left and right. Yes. If you're off the track, it's so hard packed right now that'll see if you can get the front end off the ground on camera. Gotcha. Lean back. Lean back.
Doing a race right now. The first one to get past this line, loose. Tyler's second and Dad's first right now.
All right, the boys are pushing each other. They're all 3 getting more comfortable on the sleds. We'll see how they're doing coming around the corners here. See if they run into me or not. We got Eli on the Yamaha, Tyler on the ZRT triple, and Connor on the 4-stroke ZR. First time for Connor riding snowmobiles. He's 13 now. You gotta be strong enough to turn that thing. First time for Eli ever riding snowmobiles. Loving it. He's getting faster. They're learning to pin it. See who gets back to this corner the fastest. Oh, no accidents now, boys. Tyler's first one back. Connor sucking hind tit on the 4-stroke, which is okay because I told him take it easy. It's Kevin's sled. We don't want to be breaking Kevin's nice sled, right? 2 of those are Kevin's and 1 of those are mine, and these boys are on it, coming at us. Shut down. First one back to the trailer wins. That's what they're running. So flat. See which one comes through first. Ooh, Tyler got Eli. Big time. That Yamaha has been a great sled. 1 top end, 1 cylinder went out, and the whole time since 1995, the thing has been just abused every day since. And Eli has now learned to abuse it in the same manner. Eli's smart enough to ride. Oh, I lost my voice. Eli's smart enough to ride where the camera is. The other boys aren't smart enough to do that. What is up with that? Shouldn't have to chase them on a 4. That was bad camera. Man down. No, they're getting dangerous out there on those sleds. Ty is anyway. He's whipping that shit through corners.